Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily open up any website you want from your RAZER Viper V4 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to Razer Synapse. Now click on the device, and here what are we going to do is we're going to bind the Razer Hypershift. So of course we can do it without it, but this will just take up something that we actually need to use. So we're going to bind the Razer Hypershift. I got it bound at the mouse button 4, and now we're going to switch to Hypershift right here. So make sure that the orange pops up right here. We're going to go over and let's say change this right here. So the scroll click, we're going to switch it to launch. And now we can choose a program, we can choose a website, but here we're focused on the website. Make sure to enter it like this. Now I'm going to enter chatgpt.com and click save. Now as you guys can see, it says chatgpt.com right here. We got the browser, and now let's hold the button for the Razer Hypershift and click on the scroll wheel. So we are holding it now and we are pressing on the scroll wheel. As you guys can see, it's opening up ChatGPT. And that's how you guys can do it. So let's try it again, holding the finger, pressing on the scroll wheel, and we got the ChatGPT opened. So that's how you guys can easily do this. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.